you might be wondering that why everybody is investing in that, what they can do with that, why they are making just games. And I mean, why it's just used for games, right? No, you are very wrong. Virtual reality is not just used for games. Games is obviously the 75% part of augmented reality and virtual reality right now, but it's changing. People are creating entertainment stuff in virtual reality, right? People are, I know, I have interviewed a lot of directors who are creating movies in virtual reality. People are literally dancing in virtual reality. I know a friend, I know a two or three friends who are doing this sort of gig where they are performing in the performing arts. They are using virtual reality, blending their skills with virtual reality and making it so more awesome and effective. People are drawing art. I hosted Rosie Summers, and she's an exceptional virtual reality artist, and she's creating art inside virtual reality. So that episode is a must check out. I'll give you the suggestion later. So social interaction. So Facebook recently is investing heavily in Quest. If you have heard of Quest 2, Facebook is investing heavily in that and subsidizing that. Even the kind of hardware they are selling at only $300 is exceptional. It's not possible if it they were not Facebook. Already have huge funds. That's why they are subsidizing the market so that people adopt to virtual reality. In fact, Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg also said in he is very passionate about his dreams in virtual reality. He said that this market is going to grow by I mean, he want to see 1 billion people in virtual reality. He is very aggressive with the numbers, but yeah, that's what he want. Okay, scientific simulations are being trained on virtual reality. I have worked on a lot of healthcare simulations in virtual reality as a medical imaging scientist, as I already told earlier. So a lot of business presentation, business automations are being used in virtual reality. I know a friend of mine who has created a virtual reality bank, and it's actually a real bank because uh, he's going to sell the system, sell the technology to a lot of banks. Then you can have virtual reality banks, right? uh, it's being used in military training since years, right? So you might be wondering, okay, there are so many things apart from just games, but how it's possible? For example, if you have a tool, for example, that tool is a screwdriver, you can screw a few nuts or screw a few nails, but you cannot do much more than that, right? So how can virtual reality do all this stuff? The answer is that virtual reality is not a tool or not a single technology. Virtual reality is indeed a medium. Okay, so now you might be asking that what is exactly a medium now? Why do I have to understand that? Medium is anything which we use to communicate between the product creator and the product consumer. Now understand it. In your television right now, what kind of content you are uh, looking at? So the answer is everything, right? So let's try to understand it. It's religious content which is available on your TV. It's news. It's so many TV soaps episodes, entertainment. There is so many educational channels, I'm sure, like Discovery is there. Like so this is a medium, and you can use medium to communicate anything to your consumer, to your watcher, to your listeners, right? Right now at Zoom, we are talking at Zoom. There are so many Zoom meetings being held in 2020. So Zoom is also a medium, and there is no limitation that what kind of meeting could be held on Zoom. Almost everything, right? So your phone right now, the next medium is a phone. In your phone, what kind of content you assume? Of course, games, but you assume more than that, games. You a lot of people might be hearing this on their phones, right? A lot of them. So the phone is a medium. Okay, so similarly the virtual reality is the next medium. It's not a tool, because tool can do one thing or hardly two if it's a good one, but a medium does anything, right? So you can basically, whatever the skill you have, you can somehow blend that this technology, this medium into that, and convey to your audience with this sort of tool, this sort of